Welcome to Home Farm. Today we're going to show you the Rockforge Super Maul in action. Prior to moving into this property, I didn't even know what a maul was. At first I thought that this was an axe, but it's not. Basically this piece of equipment has been designed to split logs using nothing more than sheer force and weight. So you'll see that the actual blade is pretty blunt on this, but it's a very heavy piece of equipment, so when you actually bring it down onto the wood, it actually forces it to separate. By comparison, this is an axe, albeit a small one. We can see by the actual blade that it's a lot sharper than the one that's on the maul itself. Our wood cutting process involves cutting logs to 25 centimeter lengths. Those are the ideal lengths for our fireplaces. Once we have our logs, we then use the Rockforge maul to split the logs into 4 typically, which gives us really nice chunky pieces of wood that burn efficiently in our fireplaces. So let's see how the Rockforge performs. For the smaller kindling bits, we use the axe. As we can see, it's just a lot easier to manage, and because the axe is a little bit sharper, it gets through the wood that little bit easier, and it just splits them into nice even bits that we can use in the fireplace. So there we have it, that's the wood that we've just split. As you can see, when you have a big log, I do tend to have the full wind up for the first piece because cracking it requires quite a lot of force. But thereafter, the little quadrants that you actually create don't require a huge amount of force. So I do typically find that this Rockforge Super Maul is very, very handy. We've used it for a year, quite a lot actually. It's showing no signs of wearing out. So far, I have very little to complain with regards to this maul. It's been doing the job. Obviously, if the shaft does break on this, there's no way that you can replace it. You are going to have to buy a whole new piece. I can just see that the price is washed away on this one. It was £16.50 for this particular model. If something was to happen to it, I'd probably buy it again. So there we have it. That is the Rockforge Super Maul. We hope you enjoyed this video. By all means, if you enjoy this channel, please hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. You can also follow us on Twitter or check out our website at myhomefarm.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos you would like to see, please leave a comment. We hope to see you on our next video.